RIME stock analysis price predictions for Thursday. Is this thing really a buy or not? Watch this quick and short 1 minute video till the end, find out. Algorhythm Holdings is already going down 209. Pre-market is 229, so it's a bit higher, which is nice, but no one just, what, 20% down is a lot. And even if I look at the range and how things are moving like here, I would rather just grab a gun and then just shoot myself in the foot rather than just trying to, you know, trade this, because it's just so low all over the place. Like, again, potentially would look for something bullish if I see a full candle close above 260, but we're not even there. We're 230 now. So if there is a double break, would still rather look to take it down because it's a bearish range and there's a lot of liquidity, and I don't doubt that the lows are going to be freaking getting hit. RIME, not much receipts in the Discord. I mean, not one. I had huge shout out to this guy that made some good money yesterday. Okay, money. And yeah, that's where we are with RIME. It's bearish market for me unless it breaks on 260 levels. So if you want to stay tuned to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.